For the best locksmith service in Mount Clemens, call Great Lakes Security Hardware. We offer commercial, residential, and automobile locksmith service with no job being too large or too small. If you need emergency service during normal business hours, we're available, and we offer preferred account status emergency service after hours. So if you hold an account with us, you can count on us to be there for you. Great Lakes Security Hardware in Mount Clemens, 888-855-6257. Call us today, start an account, or visit us, GreatLakesSecurityHardware.com.